This is another bushingfix.com installation video. Today we're talking about the GI1 kit, which fits several vehicles. You'll get two bushings in this kit. One is a little bit larger and has a shoulder, and the other one's a little smaller and is straight. You'll want to prepare your cable in by drilling out the inside, and if it drills out cleanly, sort of like this one, that is to say that the bushing doesn't come apart in chunks, you'll use the black bushing. Now start out by using an 11/32 drill bit and take out a small amount of the original bushing at a time. Don't drill all the way through, just drill the top. If you're successful at that, then use the black bushing, the smaller bushing. And once you've drilled it out, it will look like this. After you install the black bushing, you can reconnect the cable to the transmission and test the installation. If when you're drilling out with the 11/32 drill bit and it begins to chunk, or it comes out in several pieces, or falls apart, or comes out entirely, rather than using the black bushing, you will use the green bushing. And to prepare for the green bushing, you'll just drill out using a 3/8 drill bit just the top of the cable end. You don't want to go all the way through, so put a piece of wood or metal underneath the cable end, or better yet, use a drill stop. Once you've drilled out the top of the cable end, you can put in the green bushing. You should be able to mostly press it in straight. It helps if you work it side to side a little bit. Once you've got it most of the way in, you can seat it with the blunt end of the tool. Now, if in the first step you were using the 11/32 drill bit and it caught on the bushing and pulled the drill all the way through, which happens sometimes, not to worry, you can still use the green bushing. You can test this with the black bushing and try and push it all the way through the cable end. And if you ever end up in a situation where it goes all the way through like this one does, you can just install the green bushing. Now, without drilling out the top and the rest of the bushing, it fits a little bit tighter. But you can use your judgment based on your preference. After you're done, reconnect the cable to the transmission and test the installation. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.